When it comes to maintaining a crystal clear pool in California, the battle against environmental elements is real. The high temperatures and relentless sunlight can wreak havoc on your pool. Dust and debris seem to have a love affair with your water. This is where professional local pool cleaning services step in, understanding the challenges Fresno pools face. The Central Valley's semi-arid climate calls for a careful approach to water usage. Professional pool cleaning not only keeps your pool pristine, but also optimizes water consumption. It's a win-win, a shimmering blue pool and a green nod to environmental responsibility. Fresno pools face their share of challenges, from hard water to mineral deposits. Cali Clear Pool Service is well-versed in handling these issues, ensuring your pool stays in top-notch condition year-round. Algae and bacteria thrive in the warm sun. Professional cleaning prevents these unwelcome guests from turning your pool into their haven. Enjoy a safe and healthy swimming experience with the assurance of a well-maintained pool. Fresno's heat and dust can take a toll on your pool equipment. Professional maintenance ensures your equipment performs optimally, extending its lifespan and saving you from costly repairs. Outsourcing pool cleaning tasks isn't just a luxury, it's a practical choice. Save time and reduce stress by letting Cali Clear's pool cleaning professionals take care of the nitty-gritty so you can focus on enjoying your pool, not cleaning it. Invest in prevention, not just reaction. Professional pool cleaning services in Fresno provide cost-effective solutions. Addressing potential issues early on prevents more expensive repairs down the line. Your pool is more than a water feature. It's a focal point in your home. Regular professional cleaning enhances the aesthetic appeal of your pool area. Fresno residents often use their pools as outdoor living spaces. Make it a space to be proud of. Water quality matters. Professional pool cleaning ensures your pool's water is crystal clear and safe. Enjoy a swim without worrying about water conditions thanks to expert management. Professional pool cleaners handle the pH balance, tackling any challenges from water conditions. Your pool stays consistently balanced and inviting. A well-balanced pool is far more enjoyable to swim in. In California, the pool season is practically year-round. Professional maintenance ensures your pool is ready for every splash, whether it's a hot summer day or a mild winter afternoon. In Fresno, your pool is more than a place to cool off. It's a sanctuary. Make sure it's a sanctuary worth diving into. With Cali Clear Pool Service, you're not just getting a service, you're gaining a partner in pool care. Choose professional pool cleaning and experience the difference it makes in the heart of California. Discover pool care tailored to your needs with Cali Clear Pool Service. Our experts understand the challenges posed by Fresno's climate and provide personalized, reliable pool maintenance services. Trust us to handle everything from pool chemical balancing to pool filter cleaning, ensuring your residential pool receives the care it deserves. Contact Cali Clear Pool Service today for a sparkling, worry-free pool experience.